Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. This morning when I tried to play my favorite games on PS5, I was unable to log in. When I tried to log into Call of Duty Black Ops 6, I got this error message, timed out checking permissions. And when I tried to log into Marvel Rivals, I got a login error dialog with unknown error code 4. Just like that, I'm getting different error messages on other games. At first, I thought there could be an issue with my internet connection, but when I dug deeper into the issue, I found out that there was nothing wrong with my internet connection. Then I saw the PlayStation Network entry that said failed. When I started the internet connection test, I got a clear picture because PlayStation Network sign in failed. Also, when I clicked on the details button, I got a dialog box with error message. We are doing some maintenance work on PlayStation Network right now. Please try again later. To further understand which services are affected due to this outage, I headed over to the PlayStation Network status page, where I found out that all PSN services are affected. So when I checked account management, I saw that I will not be able to sign in, create account and edit account details during this outage. And affected platforms are PS Vita, PS3, PS4, PS5 and web. This means if you try to log in into any game, it will show you an error message. The issue started on February 8, 2025 at 5:30 am. Under gaming and social, you won't be able to stream games on the same platforms. Under PlayStation Store, you won't be able to purchase, download, browse, search or even redeem vouchers on the same platform. Overall, everything is affected. As per the note, the PlayStation team is working on resolving the issue as soon as possible. But there is no update on how long it will take. But when one user contacted support, the support team mentioned it might take around 24 to 48 hours. As per the reports from affected users, PSN has been down for around 5 to 8 hours as of creating this video. And users are annoyed because this outage has ruined their weekend. Talking about fixes, this is a company side error and there is nothing you can do to fix this issue until PlayStation resolve it on their end. So if you are unable to log into PS5 games and access PlayStation services, you are not alone. All we can do is wait until the outage is resolved. Whenever I get more update on this issue, I will keep you in the loop. In the meantime, why don't you share what games you are playing on the PlayStation right now? If you don't know what to play, you might get some suggestion in this Reddit thread. Apart from this, whatever you want to share about this issue, the comment section is all yours. And if you find this video useful in any way, please like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notification about PlayStation server issues and related videos. Thanks for watching.